I started the company in 2009, and the point then was not to make or to create anything new, but to breathe new life into what was already there. The show is called The Nature of Forgetting, and maybe I should start with where it comes from. Why did we want to make a show about memory? Well, actually, it's not a show about memory. It's quite the opposite. It's a show about forgetting and what it means to forget and what happens in the brain when you forget. The main question that sort of led the exploration was what is left when memory is gone. In other words, what is eternal? It is the story of Tom, a 55-year-old man living with early onset dementia. It's his birthday, and he needs to get dressed. And as he gets dressed, the feel of the clothes on the rack trigger memories. And at the beginning, those memories are quite vivid. They're quite, intact, if you like. And as the show unfolds, those memories are becoming more fragile. We worked with a neuroscientist from University College London, and that collaboration was absolutely crucial. Obviously, we got to discover, a lot about memory processes, how memories are being constructed, deconstructed, reconstructed, or misconstructed. But we also learned about, other aspects of dementia. We learned about changes in behavior. We learned about the loss of spatial awareness, for instance, things that are not as well known as the loss of memory.